If you have been using social media, you must have noticed these kinds of digital arts in your feed. And you may have wondered how people can make these arts so good and how this is becoming a trend nowadays. So in this video, I'll go over 5 AI tools you can use to create these AI generated digital arts. So let's get started. First up, we have midjourney. Midjourney is a Discord server, so to use it, you have to join the Discord server. And you can start writing prompts in the new base channel. Here, you can see others' artwork as well. You can start creating your artwork by typing /imagine and entering your prompt. The prompt is a small description of your image. The best feature of Midjourney is that you can remix your own image with other images as well. You can create anything from digital art to a website landing page or even a t-shirt design. But remember that Midjourney provides roughly 25 credits to each user for free, which means you can create 25 images for free, but after that, you have to subscribe to one of their plans. Next up, we have Canva. Canva recently launched a text-to-image feature for its users. You can access this feature even with a free account. Simply select a project and head to the apps section on the left. The first app that you will see is the text-to-image app. Click on it and start typing a prompt. For now, I think you can create as many images as you want without any limit for free. Third, we have Dream by Wombo. Dream by Wombo is super easy to use. Just create your account, enter a prompt, select the style you want and click create. It will generate one image for free, but to see more variations, you have to buy their plans. Dream provide a lot of styles for free, so it's really easy for a beginner to use it. Next up is Hotpot AI. Hotpot offers AI assistants and easy to use software for graphic design, image editing and writing. They provide services like AI copywriting, background removal, object removal, picture colorization, photo restoration and image upscaling and many more. Finally, we have stockimg.ai. With its easy to use design, it provides you with 7 options to generate artwork like a book cover, wallpaper, poster, logo, stock image, illustration and art. But the biggest drawback with StockIMG is that it provides you with only one free credit, which means you can only enter one prompt for free to generate an artwork. So what do you think about these tools? Let us know in the comment section, and also there are tons of other tools like Night Cafe AI, Art Breeder and Deep Dream Generator that we haven't covered in this video. So if you want to know more about those tools, you can check out my latest tweet. The link will be in the description. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you at the next one.